Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY, and this video is a part of a challenge, monthly challenge that hosted by Heidi Sambol. Her channel is Heidi Sambol DIY, and her lovely co-host for this month is Casey from Coffee Was My Sunshine. Those two ladies are one of my favorite YouTubers and creators, crafters. They have amazing channels that I am watching and supporting them for quite some times now. I love participating in their challenges, and this month Heidi have co-host Casey. If you don't know neither one of them, all the information will be linked in the description below. I would really recommend you guys to go check it out. But let's talk about the challenge. The theme of the challenge is summer, and it needs to be in a coastal theme. So I was really excited because this theme, for some reason, this month is becoming my favorite, and I have had several ideas what I would like to make as a decorations for my lovely home. So if you are interested in what I have created, please continue watching. Okay guys, so for this project I will be using this Dollar Tree ring. Then I have this I got it on Amazon, but it's been quite a while, and I don't know if I have all of them here, but I don't really drink, but I like fufu stuff, so I put it occasionally in one of my drinks, but it's virgin, non-alcoholic. So this, and then I will decorate it with my, as you know, my stash of seashells. And to work with it, I am gonna use my handy dandy glue gun. I have an idea what I want to make it, and I don't know if it's gonna work, so it might be a fail, but we will see. Okay, I had to go hang it on the door, and I forgot to take the camera with me because it was a real struggle to tie them around the umbrella, between the umbrellas. So I took the umbrellas out and then I tie my kind of garland seashell that I made. I thought it turned out pretty cute. So I'm gonna take a couple of pictures so you guys can see how it looks on the door. Okay, for this project, I'll be using this bucket that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Again, my box of collected seashells. There's a bunch from Dollar Tree. I think most of them from Dollar Tree. There's only a couple I got on Amazon, and so this is what I'm gonna be using. And my hot glue, that's pretty much it. So okay, so I did 2 rows of my shells, and now I'm gonna use my jute to finish the rest of it because I think it would look cute. So well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you, Heidi and Casey, for hosting this challenge this month. As always, I was really glad I participated. I was happy with the results, how my DIYs turned out. And if you guys love this video and want to see more, something like that in the same style, in the same theme, there is a playlist going, and there's lots of ladies, lovely ladies that I am friends with, or new ones, I hope. The playlist will be linked in the description below. I would like you to go check them out and see what they have created. I can't wait to go and watch the playlist myself. But this is all for today. If you're one of my new people, please say hello to me in the comments so I can welcome you to the family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I will see you in the next one real soon. Bye.